Welcome to this quick walkthrough of our WhatsApp bulk messaging software. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through all the essential features so you can easily send personalized messages, attachments, and templates to your contacts in just a few clicks. When the software opens, you'll start on the login screen. Simply enter your email and phone number to sign up. There's no password required. It's a one-time sign-up, and you won't need to enter your credentials again the next time you open the software. Before moving ahead, please review our terms and conditions and EULA. Once you've read them, check the I acknowledge box and click on Accept and Continue. After completing these steps, the main dashboard will appear. Here you can manage everything from your contacts and templates to your gallery, settings, and user profile. Let's explore the buttons briefly. Start with Add Contacts, where you can manually enter new contact details. You can also import contacts, assign them to groups, and organize your audience efficiently. The Gallery button allows you to store and manage attachments you want to send later. Next, click on the Settings icon for the Fast Send method. Here you'll find an option called Launch Coordinate Picker. This tool helps you capture the exact location of the attachment button within WhatsApp Web. To do this, select any contact, click on the attachment button on WhatsApp Web, and note the X and Y positions. For example, 701 and 971, and click Save Coordinates. Now let's begin. Navigate to the Add Contacts button to create a new contact. Update the name and then update the phone number. If needed, you can also create a group and tag the contact under that group for better organization. Once all details are filled, click on Save. Similarly, you can create as many contacts as you want. If you prefer bulk contact management, you can click on the Google Sync button. This will open your Google Contacts page, where you can sign in, export a CSV file. I will show this entire Google Sync process towards the end of the video. Now let's move ahead to the Templates section. Click on the Templates button to create a message that you would like to send to your clients. I already have a few templates created, but let's go ahead and create a new one from scratch. You can personalize your message by clicking on the name tag inside the template editor. This will automatically fetch the contact's name in the final message, giving each message a personal touch. Once your template message is ready, click on Save. Our app also supports sending attachments along with bulk messages. So now let's create a template specifically for attachments. Update the header, enter additional message text if needed, and then click on the Attachment button to add your file. You can also upload files using the Gallery button, which opens a gallery section where you can choose any type of file. Now, select all the contacts you wish to send the message to. Choose the template you want to use, and click on Send Now. The browser will automatically redirect you to WhatsApp Web. Please make sure you are logged into WhatsApp Web before clicking Send Now. Once the page loads, you will see the automated process start sending messages one by one. Back in the Contacts dashboard, you can see detailed logs showing which template was sent to which contact and at what time. You can also see which contacts are not active on WhatsApp or not saved in your phone's directory. Now, let's try sending a template with an attachment. As you can see, the attachment sending automation works smoothly. Next, you can delete contacts by selecting them and clicking the Delete Selected button. Deleted contacts are moved to the trash, and you can restore them anytime. You can also permanently delete them from the trash if needed. Now click on the profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. Here you can view details such as which WhatsApp numbers are approved, the active plan, the total number of systems allowed, and the plan expiry date. You can click on Upgrade to upgrade your existing plan at any time. As mentioned earlier, you can use the Google Sync option to upload multiple contacts quickly. After downloading the CSV file from Google Contacts, simply upload it using the Import CSV or Excel button to add all contacts at once. You can download our software from the link mentioned in the description. Feel free to try our free plan, explore all the features, and share your valuable feedback with us.